Evans sends a fly ball into right with some carry. Stubbs will go to the wall, and it's gone. Evan Longoria hits one out to right field on the second pitch he sees, and suddenly the Rays make this a 4-run inning.
Well, you remember back that fly ball that got in between Matt Joyce and Sam Fuld at the wall, the way the wind howls through left field, and that's what creates that draft out there in right center field. And Evan Longoria popped that ball hard, got it up, and that ball just kept going and carrying about 5-6 rows deep.